There they are. My name is Vizzy. Welcome to the channel. Today's adventure is a little different. Today we're going on a road trip, and joining me for this adventure is Mom.
Hi!
Now this is the Morgan Hill State Forest and near Fabius, New York. This is where we're gonna start this adventure. Now this is gonna be a little different because it's a multi-day adventure. So I will be doing a little vlog. So hopefully you enjoy it and join me for this one. Made it to our first stop for today. This is Tinker Falls. It's a pretty short hike from what I've read. It's even handicap accessible. So I will be rocking my Crocs. So this trail is 3/10 of a mile. So it's pretty short. It'll be nice though. It's just to get our blood flowing for the morning before I hit the road and do a couple other things. What you think of the hike?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah, excellent.
It's pretty accessible, honestly. There's a little stream that follows along the whole trail all the way down. I think we're almost at the falls. I hear it. I can definitely hear it. Yep, I see them. Oh, there's not much water right now, but they look cool. It's Tinker Falls. When it rains a lot, just definitely washes things out, like that tree right there. But it looks nice from here. It's a different perspective of the falls here. It's like they have blocks and everything for us to walk up. Oh wow, I wonder how far up this goes. So it looks like you could actually walk behind the falls right there. So we'll follow them up. You want to lead the way or you want me to go? Be careful. I could go in front of you. Well, Mom decided to stop over there. I'm gonna venture behind the falls. Oh, it's nice up here. Wow. You can make it, Ma. It's nice up here. Mom's shoes are stopping her from walking up, but I'm gonna continue on just to check it out from behind the falls. Oh, it's just nice. Oh, it's just a nice cool breeze in here. Nice. Love it. These are the side quests that never really make it into the entire channel or whatever it may be, you know, like their own episode. This is such a small falls, you know, such a small thing. It'll be like a 1 or 2 minute episode. So yeah, a blog would work for this type of situation. Time to head back to the vehicle, hit the road again. Made it back to the vehicle. There is another recreation area across. It's a little bit longer of a hike, but I'm not going to do that because we have a full day planned, and those are the falls when they're raging. I passed the entrance to this because I wasn't planning to stop in, but I think it might be a short enough walk, and it leads us to a lake, the other lake. So we'll see how long it is. I'll go read the plaque and go from there. Labrador Hollow, unique area.
1,474 acres. An acre is a certain amount of land.
Let's check this out over here. Let's see how long this trail is. Actually, it doesn't even show the trail right now. Actually, it does. Here it is. So if we want to go down to the pond, it's going to be like a 4/10 of a mile loop. We'll do that and come back. Nice little boardwalk. You think you'd be hiking this quick again? You thought it would be a longer ride, huh?
Yeah.
It's fine. We'll get at least 1 mile in today, at least before we hit the road. Cause yeah, why not? This is cool. I think this is part of Kettlebell State Forest. It's literally right across the street from Morgan Hill, where we were just at, and where we camped as well. I love the bark on these trees. It's like red. You see it?
Yep.
Good thing they got a bench there so you could enjoy it, right?
Yes, it's beautiful.
The sun finally decided to come out.
Yep.
It rained all night, drizzled in the morning, and now it's nice and humid, right? It's fine though. Out in nature, fresh air. I don't mind how humid it is. As long as I keep walking, I should be fine. We made it to the lake. Wow.
Wow. Wow. So beautiful. Jeez.
Look at that. Definitely worth it.
Absolutely. Wow.
Let's see if there's a nice... Yeah.
Fresh air.
Mm.
God be with us this day to see this around here. Oh my Lord.
Oh, this bush smells nice.
Yeah.
Right? Smells nice.
Yeah. Oh wow. Is it flor de loco?
Yeah, that's lotus.
What the heck?
Yeah, those are all lily pads with lotus flowers on top. So that clearing right up here, it's a hang gliding spot, and they take off from there and land somewhere that way in an open field. Made it back to the truck. So the hang gliding spot is up here, and they land somewhere down there. First fuel stop of this trip. Obviously since starting. It's doing pretty good on gas, so it's not too bad. Random quick stop. This is the Cayuga Inlet, and then further up it meets up with Cayuga Lake itself. One of the many lakes of the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York. So this is a 215-foot waterfall. I think we're gonna do this trail here, so we're gonna walk down through that way. It's gonna be nice. It's 1.5 miles out with 400 feet of elevation change, and this one is 1 1/8. It's not much of a difference. I think we'll do this one. Alrighty, North Rim Trail. This is 1.5 miles long to get to the falls. We just saw them at the overlook there. Yeah, we'll see the views along the way on the way down. What you think of this? Ready for this one?
I'm ready.
It's a little better than this morning, I guess.
I am. I'm ready. This one can be. I'm happy because I know feels unsafe.
You don't feel unsafe? Yeah, because it's a paved trail at least. And it's not as slippery as this morning. Yeah, that's why.
This morning was really slippery.
But this time I'm wearing actual hiking shoes, not Crocs.
Yeah.
You're thinking what?
To go.
Oh,
But
okay.
my mind said no, don't go there. For sure, for sure.
You still don't know how I made it down with Crocs though, huh?
Yeah. I was just in tippy toes, try to not fall. It was really slippery.
Yeah.
So I cannot play with that one like this.
I probably gave you a heart attack or something this morning. Sorry.
I don't know how, when all the way coming, yeah, you're right. Like, every time I move my feet,
Sliding.
no.
This is where that elevation change starts to kick in. And it gets steeper, I believe, from here. Yep, I can see it down there. This is if you do the North Rim Trail. There's other places where it's a shorter walk, but don't mind walking. It's good to stretch your legs and also get some fresh air. So far we've been the only ones on this trail. The only other people we saw were at the falls overlook, but nobody wants to walk, so that's fine by me. Here start the stairs. There's a lot of these stairs actually. All the way to the bottom is all stairs. At least these are dry. You want to get your exercise in today with these stairs? This is going down. It's going to be fun coming up. When I get to the bottom, you let me know how many steps there are, because I know you're counting. So this is the other side. I said you could come and look at it from. You go through there. It's $9 admission fee. Up there is free, so I don't mind it. 120 steps? Not bad. Now we have about half a mile to the falls from here. So we'll go through here, take a right. Which one do you want to do? You want to check out the water first and then the falls?
Go to the water.
Okay. So we've made it to Cayuga Lake. I asked the ranger how you pronounce the name of this park. It's Taconic Falls State Park. This is Cayuga Lake. This is about 39 miles long. Deepest part of this lake is 435 feet. This is actually not the largest or biggest finger lake. That would be Seneca Lake. That one is the deepest part is about 619 feet or so. But this is beautiful. We're gonna check out the gorge trail in a second after we check this out. That one is about 3/4 of a mile long, and yeah, so 3/4 of a mile there, 3/4 of a mile back. And yeah, look how beautiful this thing is. This water's so clear too. Ooh, it's nice. Having fun? Let's swing it a little bit. I'll get on there too. You're good. There's plenty of space.
Okay. Nice.
Oh, it started raining. Grab some rain gear and hike up to the falls. Rain gear on and we continue. Little rain don't stop the fun. See some waterfalls. So this gorge was cut by the waterfall. It's the power of water for you, you know. And this drains into Cayuga Lake across the street. So this is all limestone and shale rock. These little shards you see here, these little shards are all shale. It breaks off easily. It's pretty brittle. See, now you see where I get my adventurous spirit from.
You want to say?
It's fine. What do you want to do? Want to check this out? Let's go over here. Let's check this out. Here it should get slippery because it's all green and stuff like that, but it looks cool. It's cool from here. All right, let's go back up there and get to the falls. End of the trail. That's a good sign.
Wow.
So that's all shale rock. We came from somewhere up there. We'll see the falls in a second now. There they are. Beautiful. So the point where we saw it from the overlook is right there. Yeah, this rock is crazy. It's easy for the water to carve it away because it's brittle. That's shale rock, but yeah, I think it's worth the hike, honestly. Even in the rain. What you think?
Excellent. Beautiful. Majestic. Wow.
215 feet. So as you look here, you can see the different types of shale. So this is Geneseo shale. This is Sherborne sandstone here, and the top layer is Ithaca shale. Supposedly it's taken about 10,000 years to get to where these waterfalls are. It takes time, but you'll get there. Even if it takes you 10,000 years. We're the only ones here. It's Mom and I. Ah, look, one person's joining us now. Most people are still up at the overlook up here. That was fun being there by ourselves for a little bit. We're heading back to the vehicle now. Not sure how long it's gonna take. We'll get there when we get there. We're not in a rush right now. There's some of that beautiful shale. This rock is so brittle, it's not even funny. Like you take it and you could just snap it. See? Snap it with my hands. We did the north trail coming down. We're gonna do the south trail going up. It actually loops and meets the other trail up there, the north trail that crosses over. So I guess let's take a different perspective of the park from the other side of the park. Yeah, the north trail came down through the other side of the falls over there. Now we're on this side of the falls. This one is 1 1/8 of a mile. The other one is 1.5 miles, but we have to backtrack a little bit to meet up to where our car was, so it's whatever. Yeah, I see a lot more steps over there. Time for the Stairmaster. What you think of these? I think she's counting them again. When we get to the top, she'll let us know how many there were. What's the total on the steps?
It's around 97.
97? So a couple less steps on this side. There's 120 on the north burn. So at least that one's going down. This one's going up. Might have spoke slightly too soon. more steps. Maybe that's why it's a little shorter, because you're just doing straight up inclines for this one. Yeah. Already done 97. Still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. Still more to go. And down was 106 steps. And there's more over there. So the top of that is 226 steps. Hopefully there's no more. Hopefully it's just a grid like this. I like that these trails are pretty nicely marked and labeled. They're also cleared nicely too. Not too much brush in the way. We've found both trails that we've done like these, we've found 2 people combined all day. So if you want to do a hike by yourself, take one of these rim trails. Most people avoid them, but we're not most people, are we? I'm not even counting steps anymore. I'm done. Snow, I have to walk them anyway, so it don't matter if I count them. What falls are these? Don't recall these. Oh, slushy in here. Mom says that last one was 33 steps. She's keeping track. I'm not.
Yes, 33 steps.
We are well over 250 steps for the day. Just steps, not even miles. This has to be the top of those falls, I believe. Wow. North Rim Trail. Wow. Look at that. I wonder if we could walk up there. Yeah, I think we do, because we go up and over around that. That'd be nice. There's a bridge over there too. Let's walk up here. Hey, yeah, North Rim Trail. We crossed right over it.
This is south?
Yeah, south is where we just came from. Yep. Here's the falls from the top. Wow, found them. That is cool.
Wow.
That's the top part of the falls. There's more to the falls on the other end. The part that we saw at the bottom was the other part of this. We don't see this from the bottom up there. Let me see on this side what we can see. Yeah, I think you guys should see the end over there somewhere. This is cool though. Found a little offshoot there. Let's see how far it could go. Yeah, I wouldn't go further than that. Well, actually, you can. You can through back there. Nah, it's sketchy. We'll go back. Let's follow the path down. See a different part of the falls that's a little less sketchy than that one I just tried taking. This brings us to the road too. I don't need to go to the road though. Ooh, that's cool. Little square thing knocked out of there. What you think?
I'm speechless.
There's the falls from the other side. So the part we saw a little bit ago was the upper part of this before it drops to that. We're parked near the overlook, so we still have about a quarter mile to go. This is a nice view from here too. That's cool. And they have a bench. We're back to where we started. And actually they now have the overlook door open here. Probably there's just one too many people down there. And that's how people die. Why would you sit up there?
I can just edit my posture better. I think I can. You be able to edit that? Yeah, I can. I can do anything.
Well, we've been down there, we've been up there. We're back to where we started. We did 1.5 miles down. Then we did 3/4 of a mile out to there, 3/4 of a mile back, so that's 3 miles. And then we did 1.5 across up to there, and then from the north rim over to where we're at now, another half. So we've done 5 miles at this park today. Well, I'm back to my vehicle. Now I'm about to go find a campsite for the night. I get there early, make something to eat, and go to bed early. So it could be early in the morning. Welcome to Seneca Lake. By volume, this is the largest of the Finger Lakes. This one is 618 feet at its deepest point, and it is about 38 miles long, so slightly shorter, about like a mile, than Cayuga Lake. And as far as width, it averages about 3 miles wide. What's that? Yeah, this one is not as nice looking as Cayuga, but I guess we're dipping all our hands in the different Finger Lakes. We are at Sugar Hill State Forest. It has a fire tower that I could actually walk up and check a couple of the Finger Lakes from there. It has all these different campsites, and it even has equestrian area over there for your horses. Now we're just checking out which of these spots is the flattest, so that we're not sleeping on a hill. This is the site we ended up getting in the Sugar Hill State Forest. It's relatively flat. It's pretty nice up here. So all you have to do is register up at the front over there, and there's bathrooms, there's sinks, there's all that. Tomorrow in the morning I'll check out the fire tower.